Introduction. Hello children, we are in a zoo. There are many animals here. Big fat elephant, giraffe with long necks and spotted patterns, large brown bear. Look at them again. Who is tallest in these three? Yes, you are right. It is the giraffe. Today we will learn to compare things. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to compare things, associate words like big, small, thin, thick, heavy, and light with items. We see two boxes, but they are of different sizes. When the two things are not of same size, we compare them. We use word small with the object which looks shorter and the word big with the object which is large. Basket A is shorter than basket B. Remember, the red chilies a parrot eats. There are small chilies and big chilies. Among three chilies, the first is longest, the third is smallest. Some objects are thin and some are thick. The picture on left is thin. The picture on right is thick. To compare the thickness of more than three objects, we use the words thickest and thinnest. The first stick is thickest. The third stick is thinnest. Things which are difficult or impossible to lift are heavy, and things which can be carried easily are light. The cylinder on left is heavy, and cylinder on right is light. Things which are difficult or impossible to lift are heavy, and things which can be carried easily are light. The stone on left is heavy, and the stone on right is light. Some trees are tall, and some are short. Giraffe is tall, rat is short. Objects can be measured in different ways. You may use your hand span, or you may use your arm. You can even use your step for measurement, or simply your feet can be used for measuring distance. All these can be used to measure the lengths.